It's recording now. Okay, it's recording now. You hit English, okay. Okay.
So try it on auto.
Go to manual and show that it's working manually. The cutter heads and such. Okay, Sanders. Open the door. Open the door and show the spindles are turning, huh?
Oh,
Just open the door. Okay, go ahead and hit the spindles on those. We'll show that they're working. Lights on? You got lights on?
okay. What?
We need lights. Okay. Spindles are turning. Let me show the whole length of it.
Yeah.
Showing the connection. Spindles turning. Okay, I'm going. How'd this get in our way now? Okay, I'm coming your direction. Coming your ways. Slide out of the way. You don't need to hold that. I'm just trying to show them that the stuff.
I can turn on the.
Spindles. Okay, I'm going to the. Showing them the sets on the right and the left. There's a middle one. There's the left one. Okay, going over to the sensor. Going over to the sensor, showing them.
See if we can get the red line coming out of those.
They can see that we got this set up, all right, right here. Okay, that look good.
Yeah.
Now we're coming over. We're gonna try automatic now. Coming back over.
Now.
You want to run? How about run the carriage back and forth? Can you do that?
Okay, yeah.
Let's do that. Show them that that's working. And then we'll send it back. All right.
Just make the carriage go faster and slower.
Okay.
Forward. In reverse, back to reference, it just goes.
Okay. Carriage is running forward now. Let it run forward a little ways, and then we'll return it. Okay. Bring it up a ways. There's the baseball bat on the top. Baseball bat turning with the. Going back over to the carriage. When it comes up far enough, then we'll return it. Show them that it's returning, huh?
Yeah.
Is that close enough for now?
That's right. That's good.
Go ahead and stop it now. Okay, you're stopping it. Carriage is returning
To the reference point.
to reference point. Okay, we got that. Now we're going to try automatic. Let's go in automatic.
Auto page.
Okay, auto page.
Cutter's on.
Cutter's on.
It's
Sanders.
already at reference point, but it's not showing.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
So that could be the problem here.
How about Sanders are on? Okay. He's hitting the emergency. He's turned over to automatic. It's flashing green light.
stopped automatically right there.
Okay.
So that's what that is for.
Flashing green lights ready to go. So we're going to press it.
So let's try it on there.
It's going to try to kick in, but it kicks back off. Watch this. When he hits the automatic button. Came on and kicked right off. You want to do it again?
Yeah, one more time.
Do it one more time. Kick it again. There it goes. It's trying to come in and turn on, but it won't do that. So we're back to the flashing green auto, but here's a flashing red light on the right side of the screen. Might be the problem. Could possibly be the problem. Okay.
Faults page,
Fault, we're checking faults page, which is showing none.
nothing.
No faults. That should be enough, I think, right?